These are the laser aimers being written by the 3D printer using ABS.
The laser what?
Laser aimers.
Aimers. Oh, okay.
ABS, acrylonitrile styrene. This stuff smells a little bit. The extruder head, which is what heats the filament up, melts it, is at 240 degrees C, and the platen is at 105 degrees C. And I've got it covered with Kapton tape, which is a tape that stands high temperatures. I used to use it in semiconductor business.
So you have it legally?
Already I bought it. I didn't take anything out. I wouldn't do that.
I don't want you to be the kind of person that
That's not me. It's got a 50% fill, and it hasn't had the last complete layer put on it. So you can see the porous plastic there. That's 50% of it's plastic, 50% air. It's writing at 50 millimeters per second. The 3D printer is really a pretty simple thing. Aside from the stepper motors that move the head, all it is a hot piece of brass with a little hole in it, and the stuff feeds through that tube called a Bowden tube. It's being fed in here by a inch by inch by a gear sort of thing with an idler pulley that's on a spring. And it just comes out of a spool like that that's sitting on a rod or a tube, and feeds into this extruder thing, which is basically forcing. Well, let's see, where is it? Well, it's this thing with the gear. The gear is this gold thing, and the idler pulley is you see part of it on the right. And it's pushing that filament into the tube, and it pulls it back when it doesn't want to write. It wants not to write it. That dust is because it sometimes pushes and doesn't. The filament tube can't go through. The filament can't go through the hole in the extruder, and so it makes dust out of the tube, or out of the filament rather. And then the filament head's under this block here. Around. There's a fan on it to cool against it, and you see the extruder heads, that brass thing sticking down. That's the filament's coming out of that, and it's 0.4 millimeters in diameter.